With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question here. The question is, in the laboratory preparation of nitric acid, the mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid and sodium nitrate should not be heated very strongly above 200 degrees Celsius, and we have to give the reasons for that. Okay, so here we are given that in the laboratory preparation of nitric acid. So when we do the laboratory preparation of nitric acid, then the reaction which takes place is NaNO3 sodium nitrate plus H2SO4. Okay, and this reaction takes place then below 200 degrees Celsius, and we have the formation of sodium hydrogen sulfate plus HNO3. Okay, so this is our required reaction for the laboratory preparation of nitric acid. But here we are given that why it should not be heated above 200 degrees Celsius. So let's see. NaNO3 plus H2SO4. Okay, if it is being heated above 200 degrees Celsius, then what happens is there is the formation of sodium sulfate plus nitric acid. There is a formation of sodium sulfate plus nitric acid. First, let's balance this reaction. Here it will be 2 and here it will be also 2. Okay, so now there can be a confusion that here also we have nitric acid, then why we can't heat it above 200 degrees Celsius? Because the formed sodium sulfate, okay, it forms the hard crust. It forms the hard crust which sticks to the walls, of the glass, which sticks to the walls of the glass walls, and it is very difficult to remove. Okay, to remove. And above 200 degrees Celsius, what happens is nitric acid, this formed nitric acid can also undergo decomposition. It can also undergo decomposition reaction, and it leads to the formation of nitrogen dioxide. That's why it is not heated above the 200 degrees Celsius, and we perform this reaction in the glass apparatus. Okay, if we heat it above 200 degrees Celsius, then it may also break, it may also crack. Okay, so these are the reasons that why we don't heat it above 200 degrees Celsius. But the main reason is the formation of sodium sulfate, it forms hard crust, and above 200 degrees Celsius nitric acid can also undergo decomposition. Okay, so that's why it is heated below 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's why it is heated below 200 degrees Celsius. That's our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.